This is not Thor arriving. It's an experiment. Only France, the United States, Japan, Brazil, and China have mastered this technology. This is the rocket-triggered lightning experiment. Workers launch a small rocket equipped with a metal wire. The rocket ascends to a height of 200-400 meters. It automatically triggers a discharge from the cloud. The electrical charge in the cloud releases instantaneously along the metal wire, forming a straight bolt of lightning that is directed to the ground. We all know that humans cannot simulate real lightning. Artificial lightning reaching millions of volts is already the limit, but natural lightning starts at hundreds of millions of volts. Rocket-triggered lightning allows us to control when and where lightning strikes, similar to how a lightning rod works. The most direct effect of this is to discharge the